this out. So you want to fix this easy? This is LJ, and I got this for a TJ. Alright guys, it works. It doesn't work, because check this out. So the LJ, not just over there, it's a little bit extended. As you can see, it's extended here and here. And you can see here the difference. I don't know, maybe it's not even extended here. This gas tank should be here, but it's here. So the gas tank is in a different place, or it might have been extended here, which it might look like it is, because it should be by the fender. But yeah, this is what the damage need to be fixed here. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna get a new quarter panel, which it comes off right here. You can see it's already coming off. So I'm thinking just replacing this corner panel and just forget about it. Fix it easy. Easier way to fix this. So I'm gonna get this thing out. But yeah, this is it. This is my fail. Buying this guy, fail. This is actually got an LED tail light. I'm gonna install later because don't need it now. Alright guys, take care. Hope you don't make the same mistake I did. Be more careful buying for LJ. TJ are way different rears. So take care guys, have a good day.